Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some delicious and healthy breakfast ideas that you can easily make at home. You know, breakfast, it's the most important bloody meal of the day. None of that sugary cereal rubbish. I'm talking about proper fuel to get you going. We're going to turn your kitchen from a disaster zone into a breakfast haven. Let's get started. Alright, you want to start the day, right? We're not talking about some sad, watery excuse for a smoothie. We're going for vibrant, full of flavor, and packed with a punch of nutrients. First, grab your spinach. Don't you dare even think about wilted spinach, it needs to be fresh. Next, a ripe banana. None of those green hard things. And finally, a good quality almond milk. You can use whatever milk you want, but almond milk, that's the business. Now, we're not messing about here. Get your blender, chuck it all in, and blitz it until it's smooth like silk. No bits, no chunks, just a beautiful, vibrant green smoothie. And listen, don't be shy with the portions. We want a proper serving, enough to fuel your entire morning. This isn't some dainty little drink, it's a breakfast of champions. Avocado toast, it's everywhere these days, right? But let me tell you, most of it is a bloody disgrace. Dry toast, sad avocado, it's an insult to breakfast. We're going to elevate this dish to restaurant quality. First, your bread, sourdough, toasted but not burnt, you hear me? Golden brown and crispy. Next, the avocado, ripe, creamy, seasoned perfectly with salt and pepper. None of that bland mush. Now for the twist. Cherry tomatoes halved and a sprinkle of chia seeds. It's all about the texture, the little bursts of flavor. This isn't just avocado on toast, it's a symphony of taste and goodness. Don't be afraid to experiment. A drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of chili flakes if you like a bit of kick. This is your avocado toast. Make it your own. Oatmeal, the breakfast of champions. But let's be honest, it can be a bit bland. Like eating cardboard if you don't jazz it up. We're going to turn this humble bowl of oats into a flavor sensation. Start with good quality rolled oats. None of that instant rubbish. Cook them low and slow with your choice of milk. I like almond or oat milk, but use what you love. While the oats are cooking, chop up your favorite fruits. Berries, bananas, apples, whatever you fancy. Toast some nuts for crunch. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, they all work a treat. Now, assemble your masterpiece. Oats in the bowl, topped with fruit, a sprinkle of those toasted nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Yes, honey. A touch of sweetness to bring it all together. This isn't just breakfast, it's a celebration of flavor and texture. Every bite is a delight. You'll be licking the bowl clean. Need a breakfast that will fuel your entire morning? This protein-packed wrap is the answer. We're talking serious energy here, enough to keep you going until lunch. Start with scrambled eggs. But not just any scrambled eggs. We're talking light, fluffy, seasoned to perfection. A touch of cream, salt, pepper, and cooked over low heat. No burnt offerings here. Next, wilt some spinach, a little bit of garlic, a splash of olive oil, and you're good to go. And for the star of the show, lean turkey. Think leftover roast turkey or even some smoked turkey breast. Now warm your wrap. Whole wheat, of course. We're being healthy here. Layer on the spinach, then the eggs, and finally the turkey. Roll it up tight and you've got yourself a breakfast burrito that would make a donkey proud. This isn't just yogurt with fruit chucked on top. This is a symphony of flavors and textures. It's light, refreshing, and packed with goodness. The perfect way to start your day. Start with Greek yogurt. None of that sugary stuff. We want the real deal. Thick, creamy, and tangy. Now layer it up in a glass. Yogurt, then fruit, then granola. Repeat, get creative with your fruit. Berries, mango, kiwi, whatever takes your fancy. And don't forget the granola. Oats, nuts, seeds, toasted to perfection. The crunch factor is essential. This is a breakfast you can assemble in minutes. It's perfect for those busy mornings when you're rushing out the door. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This is a breakfast fit for a king. And there you have it. 5 easy and healthy breakfast ideas to kickstart your day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.